Hello guys, welcome to another lecture. We are creating test cases for the object repositories we created. So far, we have only one pending object repository which we created for imgur. Let me quickly create test case for that as well in this separate folder. Make sure you are following me. I am creating new test case and I am providing name as imgur with header. And in manual mode I am adding web service keyword, send request, and from object I am selecting imgur with http header and I click OK. OK button is here and I am clicking that and I go to script mode. Here I am passing the code snippet for verify status code and I am passing it here. I am saving it and assigning variable to it. I am giving it as imgur and here also I am passing imgur. I'm sorry. And I am saving it. Here you can see some imports. You no need to worry about any imports. It will be automatically imported by Catalan Studio. But if you are using Catalan Studio, we no need to bother about importing any jar files. No any basic work we need to do for creating a framework. We can make use of their inbuilt framework. You can explore for web automation and mobile automation also using Catalan Studio. We will be making courses for that in upcoming days, so stay tuned with us. Now let us run this script. I am running it. Let us see the result. It is running. It started. Yeah, it is completed and verify response status code successfully. Now our test case is passed. We are seeing here one pass. You can also go to console to see what happened. If you give any print statement, it will print here. I think the print statement will be like print, I guess. Let us try. I'm not sure, I forgot. Print and let us see. Test case paused. Let us try this. I'm not sure. I just want to check. I remember this is the statement for print in Groovy. It uses Groovy language, so you don't need to bother whether we need to learn Groovy to make use of Catalan Studio. Most of the snippets required for API automation, you can get it from online itself. Even I also don't know Groovy. We go to console. It printing like print test case passed. Okay, you guys explore what's the print statement for Catalan Studio API automation testing using Groovy language. From next lecture, we will see how to create test suite and add all these test cases in that.